GoHighLevel versus StanStore. When you're choosing a platform to sell your products or services, two names often come up are StanStore and GoHighLevel. They serve different needs, and understanding their core functions is the first step in deciding which one is right for you. This overview will provide a practical comparison of their features, target users, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with StanStore. Now, it's designed especially for creators, influencers, and entrepreneurs who want a simple, mobile-friendly way to sell digital products or services directly from their social media profiles. Their advantage is speed and ease of use. You can set up a storefront in minutes. It's intended for users who want to monetize their audience quickly without the complexity of a large software platform. So GoHighLevel is a different type of tool. It is a comprehensive business and marketing automation platform that combines a customer relationship manager, also website and funnel builder, email and SMS marketing, appointment scheduling, and more into one single system. It's built for marketing agencies and businesses that need to manage complex client journeys and handle brands or clients from one dashboard. Okay, let's talk about features and usability here. So when it comes to ease of use and setup, for anyone new to selling online, StanStore is significantly easier to set up. Its interface is intuitive, allow a user to go from signing up to having a live product ready to sell very quickly, often without needing tutorials. GoHighLevel has a noticeable learning curve, not because of poor design, but because of extensive capabilities. However, once you understand how it operates, its features like the drag and drop funnel builder and automation workflows are very capable. It is possible to use pre-built templates called snapshots to create a storefront similar to StanStore, but this still requires a more involved setup process. Okay, so what about marketing and automation? This is where the functional differences between the two platforms become more apparent. So StanStore's Creator Pro plan includes useful marketing features like email flows, discount codes, affiliate management, and order bumps. For many creators, these tools are significant for their needs. GoHighLevel provides much more advanced automation. Its workflows feature allows you to build detailed automated sequences for lead nurturing via email or text. While StanStore is good for announcements and basic sequences, GoHighLevel is designed for creating and managing complete customer journeys. Okay, so moving on to the pricing structure, StanStore offers two main plans. We have the Creator plan at $29 per month and the Creator Pro plan at $99 per month. Both plans advertise zero platform transaction fees, meaning Stan doesn't take a cut from your sales. You will still pay standard payment processor fees from providers like Stripe or PayPal, which are typically around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Okay, so moving on to GoHighLevel, which has three plans. First, we have the starter plan, which is $97 a month, the unlimited plan at $297 a month, and the SaaS Pro plan at $497 a month, which enables you to resell the software as your own. It's important to note that GoHighLevel has usage-based fees for sending emails or texts, and also for making phone calls. So the GoHighLevel starter plan at $97 a month does include full CRM, funnel builder, and automation tools, but it is typically limited to one or three business accounts or sub-accounts. This is a key limitation if you plan to manage multiple clients. The StanStore Creator Pro plan at $99 a month for a similar price offers features tailored for creators with an affiliate program or with a 0% platform fee. The pricing for Stan's Pro plan and GoHighLevel starter plan is very similar. The decision comes down to what you receive for that cost. A streamlined, easy-to-use creator store with Stan, or a fundamental all-in-one marketing system with some initial client limitations with GoHighLevel. Okay, so what about use cases and recommendations? Now, StanStore is the most direct solution for social media creators, influencers, and anyone who wants to monetize their audience as quickly as possible. If your primary objective is to sell digital products like ebooks, guides, or simple courses without getting slowed down by technical setup, StanStore is a very efficient platform. It is simple, fast, and lets you focus on creating content. Now, what about primary use cases for GoHighLevel? Well, GoHighLevel is built for business owners, marketing agencies, or advanced creators who are focused on building a scalable, automated system. If you need to manage multiple clients, require a powerful CRM to track leads, or want to build a sophisticated sales platform with detailed follow-up sequences, GoHighLevel is the more suitable choice here. The platform can replace several other marketing tools, which can make its $97 starting price a cost-efficient option for a single business. Okay, let's now talk about the conclusion. Ultimately, the right choice does depend on your current business needs and goals. There is no need to invest in a complex, multifunctional system if a simple storefront meets all your requirements. Conversely, a basic storefront may be too limiting if your vision involves scaling with advanced marketing automation. Okay, that pretty much does it for this comparison on GoHighLevel versus StanStore. If you did find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Really appreciate it. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.